Okay. Silver Tanka.
Good morning, 47. Your target is Ajit A.J. Krish. He's the current head of Atlantide, a company producing demineralized salt water that promises a suspiciously long list of medical benefits. If the brand doesn't ring any bells, it's because Atlantide is only sold out of the homes of independent distributors. They pay Krish an initial signing fee, and in return are able to purchase Atlantide for a lower price, which they can then turn around and sell at a
Hver
profit.
drekkur saltvatn?
That is, if
Who
they
drinks
can sell it.
salt water?
But bottled water is not Krish's most profitable product. He
Ég
is
sagði hann
far
að þetta
more
væri
interested in getting
diluted.
people to buy into
Eða
his
var þetta breytt í
turnkey
venjulegt
business
vatn?
opportunity.
Hver drekkur
And
salt
better
vatn?
still, convince their friends to do the same. He
What?
preys on the desperate. Whether they can afford it or not, Krish will tell them that
Very
such a
good.
fortune is worth even the most painful investments. The target is currently in Miami, in the hopes of recruiting a
Nei,
celebrity
takk.
driver
Ef
to be the
vatn er
new
frá-
face of Atlantide. Our clients would prefer he
Niðri í
never
sjónum.
recruit anyone again. Best of luck.
Aldrei spila þetta. Þetta er geggjað. I'm a master martial artist. Þetta er betri. Ég er bara hinn með gleru. Nei, þetta er IT-man. Ég þarf ekki byssu. Sko, ég þarf bara eitt skot. Let's go. Raytracing. Þetta er ekki að ganga vel. Leikurinn handlar þetta ekki. Oh, my game doesn't handle this. Ég þarf ekki ok. Super Reflections. Okay. Casino. Does this show my character? Yes. Is he there? Er hann þarna þótt að ég myndi verið að slökta? Nei. Býtu. Okay.
Kronstadt is very likely withholding information on what actually happened in Tongan Valley, and I think the people have a right to know.
Doom 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 doom
My first gig.
doom
Never been to any of these races before,
doom
but it sure is loud.
doom
Secret
doom doom doom
demo upstairs in the expo building, but it's off limits.
Yeah, probably not something we'll straight up just bought it. Downstairs is okay, upstairs.
Any idea what he's doing in there?
I heard he's demoing. No.
doom 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 doo-doo-doom doo-doo-doom doo-doo-doom.
Hey! You need to drop what you're holding! Do it!
Okay. Okay.
Okay!
Okay.
Come on! Kick the rope's ass!
Boom. Stupid. I'm the best. Doom, 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 doom. Schreef skietbussen meer. Hei, hva gerist hér? Ekkert.
Central, come in. You
Shit.
copy? Yeah, I'm here now. No, nothing. It's quiet here. Over. Roger
Niet
that.
lullig.
Moving on to the location. Out. Uh-huh. Hello? Someone answer, please. I need help. Over. Someone's messing around. What can I say? Whoa.
Pretty
Central,
please.
come in.
You're my fucking eyes, gentlemen. What's the status?
Troublemaker.
Central, talk about don't save your ammo in this guy. Let's go.
Target. Down. Okay. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, dum, doo-doo-doom. 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 Doo-doom.
Come on, you copy.
Dum, 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 doo-doo-doom. Doo-doo-doom.
It's a disgrace letting the men rain out on them.
Octane booster, huh? What is that stuff anyway?
I think some of the teams are using it to increase car damage.
What the hell is that? Oh no! Hey!
Oh, shot. What the hell are you doing, man? You could kill someone like that, you freak! Hey, hey! Don't move! Whoa, please
Taking him on!
Let me just target some downloads for those of you help over here.
Endurance racing. You gotta cover as much ground as possible within the time frame.
I'm pretty sure
When the time's up, we have our winner.
What the?
God! That was a gunshot! Stay alert! Where is he? Anyone see him?
Fuck. Shit. Ég er ekki incompetent. Hvað minnar þú?
Come in, Central. He's got a certified murderer. What the? I see him!
Oja! Oja!
Something really bad is happening. So the gunshot so far was. I'm leaning towards gunshot.
Chum, 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 chum. Chum, 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 chum.
Hello?
Chum, chum, chum.
Got some jerk not doing what he's supposed to.
Jesus! Listen! Oh!
Doo-doo-doom. 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 Doo-doom. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, doom, doom. Hvað í gangi? What? Allt í lagi. Dum, 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 ninja. Býtu. Hvert fór gæinn?
Command! I said command! Have you guys gone home or what? Jeez! Don't...
Oh my god.
Hey! Let me remind you that keep that car going until the end. This race is not over.
Hvert er hún að fara?
Jesus H. Christ.
Oh fuck! Nei! Nei, anskotin. Nei.
No way. There he is. Who do you think?
Ég held ég þarf að hætta að vera ninja.
Really scared me.
Það breytum vinnu.
Let me just repeat some ground rules. It's as much about the car's stamina as it is about the driver's talent.
Ég er fuglamaður.
Oh, come on.
Hey, did I mention I bought a bike?
Got hit. Ah!
Couldn't be prettier here in Miami. Yes, sir. The crowd.
Krish. Það er cool nafn. Yes.
Salutations, my friend.
Don't forget, this race is all about getting some miles under the hood. It's as much about the car's stamina and technology as it is about the driver's talent. Yeah, Trevor Jones just wants to put California behind him and get on it. Stay in the race for as long as possible, and then who knows what might happen. Moses Lee across the line, #1 in Miami. Once again, Chinese racing flexes its muscles on the U.S. race circuit. Well, big disappointment for the California team. They came here as huge favorites, but Sierra Knox and her team they just couldn't handle it. Get ready, folks. Our new Chinese champion is on the podium in a few moments. The VIPs are gathering on the red carpet, and those of you in the stands, make sure you don't miss the big party. Our main sponsor, Kronstadt Industries, wishes you and your family a wonderful day at the races. Don't forget to visit the website today and join Sierra and the team. Kronstadt Industries, a better future.
The guy had his hand out the back pocket. Right? One of those relationship things. Oh, okay. No, man, I'm not judging. It's, very contemporary.
We still have a little time before our champion reaches the podium. Let's hope it's not like last year when a streaker delayed the celebrations. Keep your clothes on, folks. Please.
Yeah, hello, it's me. Yes, I'm up in New York. Sure, the traffic is crazy up here. What? You know, I don't really know if I like it. It's really cold. What? Snowing on the TV? Oh, yeah, it's snowing like crazy. It's like a blizzard.
I'm getting information that we're closer to the ceremony, but not quite there yet. Just saw the actor Jamie St. Remington in the press room, by the way. Those of you older race fans might remember him from such films as Rush in Reno and Daytona Drivers Club. Yeah, they don't make them like that anymore.
What? Funny? What do you mean? Please don't say that. Because you know how they love to it's nonsense. I gotta go. At least my can't leave you my question.
Fatigue? Trouble concentrating? Blurred vision? Why don't you try Jitter? Based on an old Native American recipe and supercharged with caffeine and amino acids. Jitter, proud sponsor of the Global Innovation Race.
En sa gik í gegnum
Well, the boss is happy.
Well, look at them.
Dóti.
They're shifting crates, and that means a lot of people are signing up.
Enjoying Atlantide? I'm AJ. Don't forget to sign up to our VIP recruitment plan. The more you recruit, the
And a
richer
good day,
you
too.
get. I'll see you around. Hey, I'm Ajit Krish, but you can call me AJ. I'm president of Atlantide. If you haven't already signed up for our VIP recruitment program, please do. Enjoy yourselves.
That is Ajit A.J. Krish, current head of Atlantide. Be careful, 47. His charm and charisma has drained many people of their life savings, so all eyes will be on him.
What? What did I even do? Flashbang! Holy shit.
Sitten mä joskus sinne bro.
an exclusive, but before you go accusing me of being a mecca, maybe you're a billionaire and I'm going to study how to be honest.
Okej. Brúnir
I
hanskar.
think the people have a right to know.
My editor got me to chase the story too a few
Brúnir
months
hanskar
ago.
og brúnir skór.
Called up their
Oj.
PR department, talked to some guy called Mickelson.
Gave me the biggest runaround I've ever been.
The Kronstadt exhibition is on the right. I hope you enjoy your visit. I do not like the look of you, young man.
Okej. Við gæti ykkur meiri saman.
You stop that right now!
Yeah, Robert Knox knows the whole thing. He straight up just bought it for the race. Downstairs is okay, upstairs, not so much.
Any idea what he's doing in there?
I heard he's demoing the next big thing coming up.
Hey, you look really stupid.
Paul, somebody get help!
No, 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 no!
Hey, hey!
It's me. We're cool here. Let me know if you find anything.
Vá.
Shit! I'm hit!
Oh my god.
Watch out!
Þetta ekki hann?
Shit!
Hingur einn. Er hann nördi?
Oh no! Jesus Christ! Help me! Help me!
Tomorrow.
Hey,
Geti breytt mér í hann.
you got a gun, right? We've got trouble.
I see him! Right there! Bullseye!
Hann er með fucking tekið tekna af bakinu mínu. Oh my god. Hætt!
Flush him out! He's not hiding there anymore! Watch out! He's gotta be close by!
Over there! Over there!
I got him!
Motherfucker. Spila hann leik. What? Þetta er ekki valið starfsættis.